What, that was amazing. Even toward that roof over there. You see out in the distance, that's where it was his friend's house got attacked. Yeah, we had a really good storm last night. I mean, the power's off, but, you know, one of the two. Yeah. Yep, the storm was pretty bad. I mean, it attacked us like a freaking tsunami, hurricane. See those dark type clouds? I think they're not that dark on the screen, but who knows? But I'm gonna pause the video here because I don't want to waste all my storage and all that. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yeah, I have one more thing. Mexican out.